So we're back with a brand new product. This is a custom neon sign from Amazon. I didn't know you could order custom neon signs from Amazon, but this is really cool. So let's open it up. So off the bat, it comes up really well packaged. Fragile signs to boot. Very well protected. So you can see here, we got to choose our words. We got to choose the font. We even got to choose the size and color. This is so incredibly cool. So you got this cord here that plugs into this power supply. Oop, but actually in the middle you have this adapter for control. Let's put that in so we can showcase that, right? The adapter allows you to control the brightness. But just how cool is that? And then in here is a nice little pouch of additional accessories. So you got mounts for the wall, which is really cool. You can actually install each 4 corners of this into the wall with these mounts. Or if you wanted to, you can hang it with these 2 clips. Just put them through. And then you can hang it like that, which is also really cool. That is so dope. That is so cool. I mean, I think I prefer the screws. This really kind of like these caps go over the screws inside there. It's so cool. That is so cool. So let me show you a little bit of how you set up your preferences for font, color, and sizing. We'll be right back. This is so cool. Hope you guys like this. We can't wait to install it. We'll see you guys next time.